What's up guys? This is actually an incredibly impromptu video. I wasn't planning on releasing a video before, which the video this coming Friday is going to be about the Legends Media car show and toy drive, but I got something really super cool in the mail today that I didn't even think it was gonna get here before I left. I leave in a couple days to go home. But I got this really cool package in the mail and I wanted to do a review about it and an unboxing. What I got is a package. This package came from Hardtuned. I ordered this a couple weeks ago. As soon as they dropped, I knew they were gonna sell out super quick. Let's jump right into the unboxing. So it looks like we got a sticker from Hardtuned. This is cool. Well, I'll show this once I pull it out. All right, here we go. Oh. Oh my God. Look at these babies. Hardtuned. Oh man, these are fresh, dude. Now, if you guys aren't familiar, these are the Hardtuned Fuji 2 shoes, which I'll give you guys a little bit of a look at right here. These are modeled off the AE86 car in Initial D. These are freaking sweet. The bottom is clear, and I don't know if you guys can see it, but in the clear, it's an actual toge, and you have the rising sun. And I don't know if you can see it, probably a little, just barely there. But I mean, like, I ordered these and I did not think that I would get them before I left for Christmas to go home. Dude, these are so dope. What else you get in the packaging? You get a Hardtuned sticker, the Hardtuned Japan sticker. And then this was something I got for ordering. When I did, I ordered these and I got a special gift for ordering these when I ordered them. So let's go ahead and open this too. And you guys are seeing this as I see it. You get a garage flag that I don't even know if I can actually get on screen, but you get a AE86 actual garage banner that is so dope. If you're a huge JDM fan and you want something different, that I don't think I've seen anybody wearing these things. Hardtuned is based out of Australia. I mean, these are freaking fresh, man. I can't wait to rock these and give you guys a review after I've worn them a little bit, because I definitely am gonna wear the shit out of these. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for my review. Again, super impromptu. I just wanted to throw something up because I did not expect to get these before I left. But I will throw this up as quick as I can. I'm gonna show a little bit more of the shoe and then we'll end the video.